Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we gonna see how to learn the minimum thickness required for car brake discs. Let's get started. There's like a million YouTube videos on removing the calipers, changing the pads, changing the discs, and all that. In this video we don't want to change the discs. We want to reuse the old discs. They are a big chunk of metal, they're almost always cast iron and it seems a big waste, just throw them away each time. They're even designed with resurfacing it. For resurfacing the brake discs there is a minimum thickness required for discs. As you can see in this video, after removing your calipers you can see the minimum thickness limit required for the discs. In this video the label on metal disc minimum thickness 20.4 mm label. After we measure the disc is 20.1 mm. After we reduce the nose on corner 1 mm from each. After we discharge the nose corner. 20.1 minus 0.2, 0.1 for each 19.9 mm. This value is below the minimum thickness required for the car. We cannot resurface it and we need to change the discs. But we will show you how to resurface process on other disc. Let's start the resurfacing other disc. I've got a small section of high tensile steel 25 mm threaded rod that I want to use for clamping, and I'm just turning it down so it fits nicely in. The hole you saw me drilling in that steel disc just a moment ago. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much.